everybody. Welcome to the world of design. What is design? Well, we are surrounded by design, whether it's man-made or natural. Around us, we see nature, and everything in nature has a specific purpose, and it is designed for that specific purpose if you go into the details. Man-made designs are things like what I'm sitting on, the swing, or the clothes I'm wearing, the glasses that I'm wearing, the shoes I'm wearing. That is designed specifically for the purpose of human consumption. But what are the basics of design? Let's look into that. So what are these components of design, the elements of design in terms of subjects? We talk about the evolution of design, why design, the importance of it. We talk about design thinking, a way of understanding the user's needs, a way of empathizing with the users to figure out their needs, and then idea generation, how to create things for the users. Once you have this in place, then you are ready to create some designs and make prototypes. Then how do you present these? Presentation by way of portfolios, a document which represents you, a document which is your personality, which you take out to the world and show for a job or for your career. And then what are the careers in design? What are the different careers in, say, visual communication, in jewelry design, in fashion, in arts, and nowadays in healthcare, in how to protect yourself from pandemics. There are so many different options. So it's an exciting world, and I think you must join these workshops which will talk about these over 5 days, the details of which are there on the Arch website. So welcome and join me there in the coming week. Thank you so much.